How to get TradingView alerts. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set certain alerts at certain points. First of all, open the application. Now you can select the stock or the company that you want to keep the alert on. So here I'm selecting one. Now here on the right hand side, you can see this clock-like icon. Tap on this clock-like icon. So this is the option by which you can set an alert. Now you can adjust it wherever you want. Here you can even edit it by just tapping on it. Now you can keep the numbers or the range that you want to keep on. After you do that, here on the right hand side you can see this tick button. Tap on this tick button. So as you can see, an alert has been set on this mark. So an alert or a notification will pop up when the stock reaches here. So you can simply add how many alerts that you want here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.